Hello, this is Sarah Meehan with Concentrus, and today I bring you a short and sweet tip regarding the new release 2020.1 and some extended functionality for the vendor prepayments record. So if you've already enabled this feature, the vendor prepayments functionality in your environment, you will also have to go to Setup Accounting, Accounting Preferences, and you will now have a new feature which is to auto apply vendor prepayment. So you'll want to make sure this is checked once you've gone live on the new release if you want to take advantage of this functionality. So I have a purchase order that I've already entered, and I'm going to enter a prepayment against this. So in order to use the automatic application, you have to enter your prepayment from the purchase order. So I'm going to hit enter prepayment, and I'm going to enter a 50% deposit for this purchase order. I'll select the account that it's coming from, and all I have to do is hit save. This also applies if you are using more than one vendor prepayment. So let's say you do 50% at the time of order placement, 25% at the time of shipment, and then you get invoiced the subsequent 25% after that. This would automatically apply multiple prepayments. So if that's a scenario that applies to you, this will also work. Then I'm going to go back to my purchase order, and I'm going to go through the normal process of receiving the purchase order and billing it. So I will receive this purchase order in full. And then as soon as the items are received, I will go ahead and bill my purchase order. So going back to my purchase order and hitting bill. I will enter the reference number for my vendor bill and save. And because I have the functionality to automatically apply vendor prepayments turned on, what you'll notice is that when this bill loads, if I go to related records, it automatically applied my $5,000 prepayment. So I didn't have to do anything to apply that. And then if I hit the make payment button, I can validate that all that remains open on this bill is the remaining $5,000. So once the screen loads, you'll see that my $5,000 application that is shown there in the related records is indeed reflecting here. So amount due, $5,000. So I'm really excited about this feature. I think it kind of bridges a gap that was present with the vendor prepayment functionality that was released last round. So if you are taking advantage of vendor prepayment, the vendor prepayment feature, I highly recommend checking out the auto application functionality that becomes available in 2020.1. Hopefully this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Take care.